Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap from Monday, June the 15th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our free room. 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. Well, all I can say is one big wow. If you've been in the room for the last, week or two, you know that I've been really warming up to these basic new highs and lows. Now, fortunately, this should say basic new highs and lows, not non-repeating. But it was more so for the alerts that I was getting, say, from 1:30 towards the end of the market, say between 1:30 and 3. Because by that time, stocks had had a time to rest a bit. And then what we were seeing is like big pops on volume and then some runs. But over the weekend, I decided to make a change to this. One of the things I did was the count that I had in this window was only at 30. So I upped it to 60. I also upped it that had to be up at least 4% instead of 3%. So that's kind of minor. But I think the count really helped. So what I want to show you is this is where the original alert happened. And let's just see what happened from there. So there's Cloudera, 941, 1207, 1292. ETRN, 839, got up to 975. I don't know what this one is. I don't think WRTC moved. 922, that didn't move. I don't know if CLSN moved. 365, it's still hanging there. UNVR, 1765, 1825 now. I don't know if this one moved. 1445, it had a little bit of a move. This one is all over the place probably. Yeah. Look at OCFT, 1714. I mean, look at these moves, guys. This is the one that I actually took. XPER 13. I'm out of it now, but 1379. I mean, I could just keep going on and on and on. I mean, it's been amazing. Now, a lot of it is because of what the market's doing. I mean, I'm not going to be naive enough to think that this is going to be like this every single day. I mean, look at this one. U1. It got halted. 392. Got as high as 719. But this is, I sort of joke around a little bit, but this is turning into my favorite day. In which the market gapped down significantly low, but it's recovered all day long, which can lead to some just fantastic trend plays. These are the days where hopefully you can really take advantage of what the market's doing, because a lot of stocks were just beaten up right off the bat. You can't, let's just make this a little bit bigger. So there's where the market closed on Friday, and here's the big gap down. So the market, I think when it opened, it was down 600 points. We're almost positive, and we're only down 20 points on the Dow right now. The SPY is actually up a little bit, and the NASA is up. So these, in my opinion, are the greatest days to trade. The big gap downs and then the recovery, steady recovery all day long. We only had 2 red candles in a row, and it's not like they were, really severe ones. So that's why I'm not naive enough to think that tomorrow this watch list is going to perform as well right off the bat, but you never know. Why I made the change is that what I'd been seeing, and a lot of us in the room had been seeing, is this watch list, from 1:30 on, was giving us some really, really great alerts. So that's why I decided over the weekend, well, how can I make it so that even earlier on we get some decent alerts? Because what I was noticing happening is you get an alert and then it would drop, and just kind of chop around. Not like the ones later on in the day where, that you'd have, just trying to see if, like Playo here, it's not showing up there. I don't know why. Just a second here. Playa. Look at it's funny, it didn't keep going, but look at the volume that came in, okay? But anyway, I'm sort of digressing here. Very excited to see what happens with this tomorrow. How I want this to work, of course, is that it's not dependent on the market doing something like this, because it's not going to happen every day. We don't. What I'm hoping is that even if the market just, even a gap down and just sort of was flat for the day, just kind of chopped up and down a little bit, that we'd still get some really good alerts from that window. But we'll have to see tomorrow, and can't wait actually. But I cannot wait to see what sort of alerts I get later on in the day from this too, especially if the market continues like that. All right, everybody. I definitely want to get back into the room and again really monitor this and bring back the capture program. Okay, if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our free room. And I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern, and I hope to see you there. Bye bye.